Cape Rock, located in Portugal, is a stunning natural landscape that has become a popular tourist destination. Situated on the coast, Cape Rock offers breathtaking views of the surrounding ocean and rugged cliffs. Whether you are an avid traveler or simply appreciate stunning landscapes, experiencing Cape Rock from a drone's eye view is sure to leave you in awe of nature's beauty. Many visitors are drawn to Cape Rock for its unique geological formations and picturesque scenery. The jagged cliffs and rock formations create a dramatic backdrop that is perfect for photography enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Travelers who have visited Cape Rock often rave about its beauty and tranquility. The peaceful atmosphere provides a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach or explore the rocky terrain, Cape Rock offers something for everyone. For those interested in outdoor activities, Cape Rock also provides opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and even rock climbing. The diverse flora and fauna found in this area make it an ideal destination for nature enthusiasts. If you're planning a trip to Portugal, be sure to include Cape Rock on your itinerary. Its awe-inspiring landscapes and serene ambience make it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking natural beauty and tranquility.